Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E on your Android. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write Vivo. Then search, and you should install the application what calls Vivo Earphones. Now open it, check mark, agree. While using the app, hello. Also, I recommend to remove this application from the cache and then open it again, and it asks to notification permissions. So go to the settings and click at this slider. And now we can add the earbuds in the application, and in the next video I will show you how to do this. So if you don't know how, you can check that video. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!